Ever dreamed of effortlessly formatting your book like a pro, no matter your operating system, without breaking the bank? If you're an author, indie publisher, or just someone with a story to tell, you know the struggle. Getting your manuscript from a Word document to a beautifully formatted ebook or print-ready file can feel like navigating a labyrinth blindfolded. You've heard whispers of tools like Vellum, but then you hit the roadblock. It's Mac only, and, let's be honest, the price tag can make your eyes water. So what if there was an alternative? A powerful, user-friendly solution that works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even Chromebook, and won't demand a hefty recurring subscription? Today, we're diving deep into Atticus, the all-in-one writing and formatting software that's been making waves in the author community. And here's the burning question on everyone's mind. How do you download Atticus for free? Is it even possible? Stick around, because we're about to demystify this powerful tool and reveal the truth about getting your hands on it. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of free downloads, let's set the record straight about what Atticus actually is. Atticus isn't just a word processor. It's a comprehensive platform designed by authors, for authors, to streamline the entire book creation process. Think of it as a hybrid of Scrivener's organizational prowess, Microsoft Word's familiarity, and Vellum's stunning formatting capabilities, all rolled into one intuitive package. One of Atticus's biggest selling points is its cross-platform compatibility. Unlike some industry-standard tools that lock you into a specific operating system, Atticus works seamlessly on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even Chromebook. This means you can write, edit, and format your book from virtually any device with a web browser, giving you unparalleled flexibility. Beyond compatibility, Atticus boasts an impressive array of features that cater to every stage of your writing journey. From a clean, distraction-free writing environment with goal-setting tools to a robust chapter theme builder that allows for countless design combinations, Atticus empowers you to create professional-looking books with ease. It supports full-bleed images, offers various export options, EPUB for ebooks, PDF for print, and even DOCX for further editing, and includes essential functionalities like in-app spell check, autosave, and cloud storage for peace of mind. The ability to see instant previews of your book across different devices, from iPhones to Kindles, is a game changer, ensuring your book looks perfect no matter how readers consume it. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: how to download Atticus for free. This is where we need to manage expectations and provide accurate information. As of my last update, Atticus is not available for a free download in the traditional sense, nor does it offer a free trial. I know, that might not be the answer you were hoping for. Many software programs offer a freemium model or a limited-time trial to let users test the waters. However, Atticus operates on a different model, one that, in the long run, actually provides significant value. Atticus is a one-time purchase for a lifetime license. This means you pay a single fee, typically around $147, and you own the software forever. There are no recurring subscription fees, no monthly charges, and no hidden costs for future updates. This is a crucial distinction. While it might seem like an upfront investment, when you compare it to the ongoing costs of subscription-based software or the higher price tag of some competitors, Atticus often proves to be the more cost-effective solution in the long run, especially for authors who plan to write multiple books. So, while you can't download Atticus for free as a demo or trial, there is a powerful safety net in place. Atticus offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is their equivalent of a risk-free trial. You can purchase the software, use it extensively for up to 30 days, and if you're not completely satisfied for any reason, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. This allows you to experience the full power and functionality of Atticus without a permanent commitment. Here's how that risk-free trial process essentially works. Visit the official Atticus website. The first and most important step is to go directly to the official Atticus website, atticus.io. Be wary of third-party sites claiming to offer free downloads or cracked versions. These are often scams or contain malware and will not give you the legitimate software or access to updates and support. Make the purchase. On the official site, you'll find the option to purchase Atticus. Proceed with the one-time payment. Access and install. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive an email with instructions on how to access Atticus. Atticus is a progressive web app, PWA, meaning you can access it directly in your web browser or install it as an application on your desktop or mobile device. This installation process is incredibly simple and usually involves a few clicks. Explore and create. For the next 30 days, dive into Atticus. Experiment with its writing features, explore the various formatting templates, and even format a chapter or two of your manuscript. Test its compatibility with your devices and see how it fits into your workflow. Decide, at any point within those 30 days, if you determine Atticus isn't the right fit for you, simply contact their support team to request your refund. It's important to understand why Atticus doesn't offer a traditional free trial. Developing and maintaining high-quality software like Atticus requires significant resources. By offering a one-time purchase with a generous money-back guarantee, they ensure that serious authors who invest in the tool receive continuous updates and dedicated support, fostering a sustainable ecosystem for the platform's growth and improvement. This model prioritizes a high-quality, feature-rich experience for committed users rather than diluted functionality for fleeting free users. Moreover, the value proposition of Atticus extends beyond its initial features. The developers are constantly working on new updates and improvements, which are all included in your one-time purchase. This means you're investing in a tool that will continue to evolve and enhance your writing and publishing journey without ever asking for more money down the line. So, while the direct answer to how to download Atticus for free is that a free version isn't available, the 30-day money-back guarantee offers a truly risk-free way to experience everything Atticus has to offer. It's an investment in your author career, a tool designed to save you time and frustration and empower you to produce professional quality books, regardless of your technical expertise. Don't let the lack of a free button deter you from exploring a software that could revolutionize your writing and publishing process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.